This is Igor from FXU channel, and today I will talk about breakout detection on the live account right now on the October 15, 2024. So right now we are watching how breakout looks like. So from the standpoint, you can see something extraordinary. Last couple weeks we were really bearish British pound dollar. And what is most important thing is in last 10 days we had one big resist, and I will show that resist right now so we can spot that resistance from the October 4 but let me take October 8, just better picture. And as you can see, this was the trend line. So this was a strong trend line, and the last night we touched this trend line and we went down. So after the London Open and after half hour, 1 hour of London Open, I saw a strong bullish move. That bullish move we can see just during the London Open session. And here the first thing that you need to watch how the market looks like, how the price looks like. So you can see very slow up, down, and in last 1 hour you can see almost vertical line here. The angle of the price is so strong that we can assume that this breakout is not full. So the first thing that detect the breakout is to watch what is the strength of the price push. And here if you see like a vertical line, especially if you use a 15-minute chart time frame and you see several strong bullish candles or bearish candles, if you watch a bearish breakout, but the most important thing is what is the strength of the trend. The next thing that you should watch is, of course, did we break the resistance? We did it. It's normal sometimes, like we had last 15 minutes to after breakout to have maybe 10 minutes just to touch again the resistance. We almost touch, and then again we have a push. So this is the first thing that you need to watch: resistance line and what is the strength of the trend. Now when we finish that, the next thing that we need to watch when we watch real live breakout is the divergence. Actually what I like to watch is divergence on the 4-hour chart. So I will add a relative strength index, and you can see this from the October 3 up now we have a bullish divergence here, relative strength index on 4-hour chart. So watch here, just a few days ago, yesterday for example, we touched 1.303. the price went lower and lower, and this divergence here was higher and higher. So in the 4-hour chart we spot last 7 days, maybe last 10 days, we can see the bullish divergence. But in the price we didn't break out. Now when resistance is broken, we can assume that this 4-hour chart can lead us to some new highs, to some new recovery, and we will watch the next levels. So the lesson number 2, try to spot and see the divergence, usually using the larger time frames like 1-hour chart, 4-hour chart, and so we spotted, we saw that, and this is very good. One of the indication of this breakout was in Friday when we touch 1.3, almost 1.30, and then the price just moved very I just find that day when we had this is the day, I think, yes. So look this, we had a 1, 2, 3 strong rejections from the 1.3 level. So I can assume that the institutional trader try to defend 1.3 price level. So because of that, in last 5 days we had a strong push up whenever we touch some kind of the low. It was an early detection, early signs of this breakout. But of course I didn't enter into trade. I waited to see the resistance is broken. And finally, the final thing that we need to watch is other currency pairs or US dollar index. I will watch US dollar, euro dollar. Why? Because as you can see today we touched the lowest low. We broke 1.09 and the price went down. However, last 3 hours we have a strong bullish level. Right now we are on daily high and we want to see the new high, and that new high is 1.093. It's my first target. I have several targets, but my first target will be 1.093. Why? Because it was the high. And one thing very important here is not just the high. If you use a moving averages, I will just put moving average 50, okay? And now you can see that moving average 50 is around 1.093. So this is the first resistance when I expect that price will react a little bit, not more, not a lot. And then if this is the real bullish trend on a 4-hour chart, we will see the breakout in the new highs. But the first reaction point, in my opinion, will be around level 1.093 for euro dollar. The same thing is for British pound dollar. I want to see some new resistance, and the first resistance that I want to see is around level 1.31. It's 25 pips from now, and I want to see some kind of reaction there. But I think that that level will not hold, and that after that we will go further. I will do the same thing like at euro dollar. I will add a 50 moving average, and here is the thing much clear. The 50 moving average, just follow the resistance trend line, as right now we broke that. So as you can see, the British pound dollar shows a really good push, and right now in this moment, this price holds this hour close about above 1.307. I'm pretty sure that we are in bullish mode. We are not in bearish mode, intraday level, and I hope a new highs. Like I said, first is 1.31, then we will try 1.315, 15 pips above that, and next will be some other levels, and we will talk about them. We'll talk about them. That next level will be for sure this level 317. I will just show here why 317. It was the high on the day in the beginning of this month when we had NFP report. So because NFP report was very good for US dollar, we had price rejection there and strong bearish move, 78 pips I remember. So because of that, that was the last high level. So I think that after 3115, 3140, the next level will be 3170. So this is the free resistance levels that we want to see, that we want to watch. And I think that this push can be, let me see, if we suppose that this is like this. So we're right now, yes. So if we analyze the price right now, we can see maybe above 1.32. We can reach about 1.32, and still will be on the daily chart bearish, but we will reach an interesting price level that we had for British pound dollar. Of course, this is just projections. It's good to know what important levels are and what important levels we need to watch. My first target need to accomplish. Right now I'm positive. I entered just the moment on the breakout. I felt very good at, and right now I have 2 trades, euro dollar, British pound dollar. I'm bullish. Watch what will happen, and I think that this bullish trend very interesting. Of course, this is not investment advice. This is just my opinion and how I trade right now, and I want to share with you. Please write some comments, your thoughts, what you think about trend, what you think your expectation. I want more to talk about price levels, charts, and everything, less about MetaTrader. Of course, I will publish new articles and new videos about MetaTrader. I will never forget that. But I want that this YouTube channel has more and more freedom and the more deepness related to forex market, charts, trend, assets, etc. So this is it. I wish you a great day, and bye bye.